Hello everybody, welcome to TYCOONseries YouTube channel. I'm your host SESOTHO, and today we'll be tackling the Mjolo heartbreak experience. As we have our cute guest, Mr. Lithiamo Happy, ex-Vivi as they call him. Mr. Lithiamo Happy, welcome to Tycoon YouTube series. When Mjolo really broke your heart.
Keletsi jwalo ka le nhlalositse mare ka tseba my gang la mabaira ka kaofela ba mpitsa ex-Vivi in as far as bolela hore ex-Vich was Victor ke mohlodi a hlolang a sa tsebahala a sa hlole ka qenehelo ho motho ofe kapa ofe a mo hlolang.
The mighty Victor, what happened to him? What brought him to his knees to actually say, you know what, I'm really visiting TYCOONseries to tell them of my horrible experience in Mjolo?
Like what she said, I'm not even on my knees now. I'm still on.
Okay, what happened that led you to this person that you are saying you are still heartbroken? Because when you hear somebody saying, I haven't healed, I'm still there, and I don't even know, am I going backwards or forward?
Okay, ka lebo mehle ke monna pelo e bohloko ne
Hona vale tjena re bua.
Ehlane ke monna pelo e bohloko, even coming here with hesitation here to tell my story hona with Mjolo ke tsamaile kae ke ka hara level e feng ke ka dile leveleng e feng. From my childhood ke hotse ke nje ka hola
Ono hulela kae sebakeng se feng?
Thaba bosibu ke ha eso ha malenyana thaba bosibu e ka hodimo ka mana ha o ya o lebile nasa
Mogorong wa khotli
ke lapeng mo le letsi entse le lebitso le go bolella
yeah. You come from the chieftainship. How to see sa ngwana boreneng ha re utlwa ngwana boreneng hore na Mjolo na wa kena le ka ga borena
wa tsaba Mjolo o kgethi o nthola Mjolo o kgethi o wherever o pusha Mjolo one heti ka frastana lwana as wena o tlo interviewa ka frastana o ntse fitile level ntse ke fitile mo tsona but ha se motaba ene teng ga itse dia ke letsie ke ex-Vivi but ha ke sale letsie e hlane ke mo ma ex-Vivi ha ke hloke o hlola mang kapa mang ka o mo hauhela because Mjolo ha o hloke motho wa mo hao o pusha agenda ya hao ka ga Mjolo mong le mong o pusha agenda ya
ke batla utlwa gona o fihleletse taba tsena jwang ha re ke re qala o go re tsamaise go gona ha o tla fihlela mona mo motho a seng a pusha agenda ya hae re fihlile jwang mo
okay ke ka dile ka end up ya story
ha ona ta ha ile hantle story ka se qala qetellong kapa qalong empa nna nka thabela re se qale qalong
okay ke motho a hotseng tjena ke ile primary level o photo jola ka tseba to this far hona le thakatsa ka tse jotseng from primary level ka ya secondary ka keta secondary level ke sa jole
o nona le lebaka kapa sha ine le ntho mone ya hore ho no sa ka ho tla kelellong ya rona ntho bitswa Mjolo
yes nnete ke ya hore hanga ka face nnete fela ke ya hore ne ke sa bone bohlokwa ba ho jola kapa ne ke sa tsebe letho ka ho jola from primary level up until ke keta o fihlele ke kala secondary up until ke keta ha qeta o iqeta ke ile high school from high school level e be ka thola ha majita a ja hantle tshege tsa bona di batla le di caftini ba ba mmoja one ton
wa re ke tlameha o kena ka ga ntho
no ke tlameha o kena ka ga industry ya Mjolo one ton ne ke le mfetwaren ke dumela ntho e tlang ho nna ke etseditswe nna e ke yang ho yona ke etseditswe nna one ton so ya Mjolo ne ke so ho yona but I understood hore ke tlameha hore ke fetole se ke nang le sona ke
Hobane ha ke
seno.
na tseba
Because
hore
ha
ho
ke na
etsahalang
tseba
haeba ke
hore
sa
na ka hara
kene.
mojolo ho
I
etsahalang,
understand,
wa
yeah.
ntshwana. Ebe ka ya ka hara mojolo. Ke ile ka Santago. Ka ne ke ya ke tjhetjha.
Jwang?
Like wa mpona ha ke shebile nje. Ke lebeletse hore ke ye kwa. Ebe ke a fumana hore hona le motho a ntshwarang ka kapi o nhulela morao.
Wa o bitsa.
Wa mpitsa wa ntshwana. Ebe ke there is a call behind. Ba ha matile na le sa.
E le hore wena, unlike our age mates, because back then it was only right for a man to approach a woman when you were approached.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you aren't telling the truth. To tell Xavier is a killed man, you were lying. I should say that.
No,
but,
you can't. If you're doing that, you are actually insulting my taste in men. No, you are. So let's skip that because now we're not going to how to talk. Okay, fine. We because other men were going forward.
Okay. I understand your point, but for that you just came beyond my understanding and you are some kind of pushing corruption over me, but it's fine.
Okay.
You said we let it go. So when I tell you this, I should say ba re ngwana phakwe se nna o ipolela motho o mo tla bolelwa ke batho. But there is never a time I was exposed to within people like brilliant, but I know I'm brilliant because the hang hulwa ka morao ka mona it's ene tla ka baka la
the brilliance. Were you brilliant in studies, in sports, and what were you brilliant
I'm a poetry. I'm a poet.
Okay.
I'm intelligent in poetry. You understand that?
And how no the English club you were something big.
For real.
Yeah, I know.
You understand that? You understand that? And there was this lady. I hope I still call boy. I also in secretary of school.
Oh, all right.
So the poor back higher like it's a honna. Ela batla hore my teacher go fela really interest on maga, and the interest they flew over me. It's not the waste of time. They caught what they were feeling like they were following. You understand?
So Njete, okay, she pushed everybody to love you, whether it was teachers, students, and everybody else in the school premises. Then Kamaramo relationship yalona was nice?
No,
but inkile na kweka ile nice. Ule sharp.
2 days, I should say. Because within a fat day, I found her with our boyfriend.
So within 2 days, your relationship that you are still heartbroken about right now, as we are speaking, lasted for 2 days.
That is the scratch.
Not 2 weeks, not 2 years, but
2 days.
Okay, did you guys still date it afterwards?
Okay.
No,
okay.
After these 2 days that you got.
No, I hanged up.
How are you still hurt? Because if it only took 2 days, how are you still in pain?
That was the scratch of my relationship involvement.
Okay, now let's talk about the recent one because
yeah. Let I tell you. Let I go from the point of being involved. I said I will never date any girl. I went on. I completed my high school. I went to varsity. I reached varsity. I went on. Still that legend body. You understand?
Just not interested in relationships and everything.
I kept them outside because I saw they weren't meant for me. You understand that? I went on. I met up with this girl from the background go bolela for Chirio ke mo ratile from class 3.
Okay, and then you met her again in
varsity.
Let
I give you the story. ha ke ka la o fihla Thabo Bosibo from Mokgadinyane ke fihlile Thabo Bosibo ka kena primary ka kopana le Meleola ke mmona mare ka motshaba ha ke kgone mo approach from primary level I completed primary level ke mo rata mare ke so buile ka nka secondary level ntse kopana dintho tseo tso thweng ke di cultural
functions.
Yes, I should say that. Ne ebe ntse ke kopana le ena mare ka motshaba ka thola hore pelong ya ka mo rata ne ebe ke fitla tertiary ke tsa mo class 1 ne on ebe I feel hore there is a need to get involved within the relationship.
Ne.
I feel it in my heart. I'm not called by anybody's relationship. I feel it in my heart. I turn up my social media, Facebook. I get to find something like friend request even with some
Whoever she is.
Yeah.
When was that?
Maybe 2013.
2013. Okay.
There was this girl in Rekanalena. Abatlang relate ale. Funny high ika ketelong. I'm like, should she be the one? And I can accept. I could listen to a classmate. We're going to talk about class issues.
Yeah.
We talk class issues. No, she's not the one. Whoever from where. I'm like, oh shit. There is a lady I've been hustling for. You understand?
But at least did you get to meet up with her? Oh.
You just don't understand one thing. This was the lady who took my heart away. You understand? From the scratch go. Ha ke kala ho rata motho ke ka dile ho rata motho ka ena re le bana. Ho fihlela ke keta primary, ho fihlela ke keta secondary. Ha se ke la high school ke kopana le ena. Ha ke ta kopana le ena. O njwetsa ka out ya hae e ke mo tsebang. And I'm like ke tlameha ho tswa mothong. Ha se ke le tertiary level. Ke ena nsendelang friend request. Ampatla setswalle. And I hasn't hlalosetsa ka thola hore motho eno ke hane ke mo batlileng ho tloa boseng ba ka wa ntshona. Yo, you know what happened? You just can't feel it.
No,
because you weren't me.
No, I'm trying to put my, everything on everything, but
Facebook and social media. And we prepared a pay or official. After Honna like ke afraid a hike ke mantsibua ke hlabu. Ga go banlena ga pusha ntho le nngwe. Ga etsa ntho tse Mjolo re ngedietse.
Aha. Yaba. Ha selentse. Kana kono university.
No. Ke le
University ka ebunyane.
Lincoln Queen.
Okay.
I'm on my
under the TYCOONseries ka kwana.
Under the
TYCOONseries.
No.
Also live, or may he so rest in peace anyway.
No.
So now I'll rob because Okopaneli, the love of your life, who you've always loved from the onset. So now what happened?
She's still on my heart. Do you know that?
Like now as we're talking?
Like now.
So how did she break your heart that you can't even still not get over her?
She's a married woman.
She got married?
She got married.
While you're still dating?
We weren't dating.
She
left me. I promised it to her. Up until you get married, I will never date. She promised it to me. Up until you get married, ex-Vivi, I will never get married.
But now she's married. That's why it still hurts, because she didn't get married to you.
She didn't get married to me.
So you're still hurt. So what are you going to do with this pain? Are you seeing a counselor? Are you talking with friends? Or do you want me to be your friend? so we can talk about this.
I don't need you to be my friend.
So what do you need? Do you need a counselor?
I need my friends to be my friends. You understand that?
Have you ever talked with your friends? Or
like, they know everything.
So when are you going to let go of her? Because now she's a married woman. She belongs to another man.
I'm never going to get that out of mind.
So you're telling me that you don't want to be healed. You just want to live with this pain forever?
I need to live with this pain forever because that is the choice of my heart.
Okay. Hi. What's about Mr. Lizzie? Yeah, wena o ikgethetse hore o dule ntse phela ka bohloko bona, but I would advise, well, anyway, because now ke nana go se re kopane from a friend to a friend, because now I'm a friend of your friends. So nna ke re ho wena, you need to seek help because we all need love, we all deserve love. So you can't hold on to back in the days, even you can't give your heart to anybody. You need to let go of this pain, this burden that's been weighing you down. Because now, because motho o kopana le ena e molemo o sontse o nagana go tlo wetsa ntse bohloko felo ka yana ke jole ha isa taba wa hao e se le wa motho e mong. Nna I would advise you to tell yourself, because e qala ka wena. You need to first tell yourself, okay, you know what, I'm letting this woman go because she wasn't good for me. If she was, she could have been here with me. Now she's not.
Vincent was good for me. And she is still good for me.
Jolo ka ha le bone babuhi ba Tycoon series, Mr. Mohapi is still so much heartbroken because of this Mjolo pandemic. Hey? I'm emotional, but you know what? Life goes on. Life moves on. He needs to let go of this pain and then move on with his life. But anyway, you can still contact us and, come and tell us about your Mjolo heartbreak experience. Maybe we can help you get over it. Maybe we can't. But it's worth a shot.
Langolo palegato lambova tele mpurukanya lena la ditula o sa etima fulo ya e hatla onna jole metsale heketse ya ka o tsoloha ante o itametse ngotseba hanga ante o itametse ngotseba